ideas of landing light. You can think of it like landing absolutely light down onto the ground, like you're landing in a chape. And I like an added image with that, of imagining that it's not just that I'm landing light, like a light full body leaf idea, but that I'm landing like, so if here's my ground and I'm a crunchy little leaf, can I land on that leaf without making it crunch, or with making maybe just the smallest crunch, right? Because if I came down really fast and hard and didn't control it, so you could talk to students and say, you know, for younger ones, older ones, see what they need, talking about going, oh, I'm hearing a lot of crunching going on, you know, and you can even go out and have the students pretend to sprinkle out all the dry leaves around them. You could have them sprinkle leaves just for first position landings or fifth or whatever. You could have them spreading out, imagining to spread out little piles for where the feet would land in second. For those of you who do creative movement and stuff and have those little brown mats and things like that, you could put your mats out and then say, these are your fall leaves. And you could do a whole thing about collecting leaves and then putting them where you're going to land. You could put them out in a sequence for step hops or whatever it is, springs. And you could be landing on little piles of leaves, trying really hard to land with lightness and not make a crunch on the leaves. And I'll just follow up with that to say, of course, landing out of releves would also be where we want to come down with lightness.